over time. Hard sideways.
What's up? Morning, Guru Nation. It's early. Headed to the car to go meet John and Mike and Landon at Sheets. We're gonna make the 3-hour drive to High Point. Watch 5 or 6 hours of pro racing. And then make the 3-hour drive back. So, it's kind of the way we do it. Should be a good day. It's supposed to be hot. This reminds me I need to grab some bottles of water real quick.
Yeah, dude, that's disgusting.
On our way. What up, Big John?
Hola, como te llamas?
Like, dude, Michael, it's 6:30. High Point bound and down. About 3 hours to roll. Pulling into the Lewis County rest area because John's a small teenage girl. He can't control his own bladder.
I can control my bladder, I didn't.
Continue straight for 50 minutes to...
Shut up, stupid.
That's a big step.
You're gonna be the next Michael Jordan. Or the next Larry Bird. You're gonna be the next Mike Daniels.
That Big Lots looking for a camp chair because I forgot mine in the car. Oh, I've spotted the camp chairs. Gorge.
Out of breath, out of breath, out of breath.
Yeah.
Tear the bikes out, do the filter, do the tires, clean the bike so the rider has to hydrate. All the while, Eli Tomac and Marvin Nixon are sitting back in their motor.
He'll be switching over to the checker track shortly. Laporte has not had the easiest way from his back, starting off a little deep, but boy, once he got there, hit his ears back and just set sail.
Yeah, he had a couple real good lines, like I noticed, made a couple real early moves, and just put him in position on lap number 3 to get up there and go from basically third to first in one lap.
Here comes the checkered flag, taking the win in the consolation. I believe that's going to be the 139, Nathan Laporte. And he does register the win. Prager into number 2, Bruff into number 3, and Thomas Sunis, 5-0.
What's up, bud?
Squad 606. Still getting anything at work.
Oh, no. Yeah, dude. No, it's on. It's on.
Has been on the whole trip. I'll just roll in here.
Yeah, we just got here just a minute ago. Just put our stuff up.
That Sunday after the next is always a big deal, Robbie.
Man, does it sound crispy behind the starting gate. 125.
Wheels with red hub? Surely not. No, I wouldn't think so. I bet he got that as like an off-road multi-port package. That's it. Those lights on it.
No, no, no. That's sick right here.
We overnighted there and overnighted back. We can post it. Wow. I can rent you out of garage.
Jordan Jarvis taking up around the outside, running in about the 5th place right now. Great start for Jordan Jarvis. He's been on the track right here, in and out of turn 1, 2, and 3, and it's the 69.
Look at the motor. Tucker, what do you want to tell the people? Nothing? You don't want to talk about KTM?
I don't want to talk about that at all.
You heard it here first.
I'm going to stay on the gas.
Once again, Justin Cooper does a wrap. First time I've actually seen him clamped over 6.3. Here we are, as rough as this track's going to get today, man. Holy cow, look at the gap closing up again between Cooper and J-Mark. J-Mark is absolutely
How many buildings do you plan on blowing up this year?
overall win. So, yeah, everybody's got something. Everybody wants to show something.
at the mechanic. Well, here's the lineup for the 250s. The 168 is Cal Kuchnicki, 719 Joshua Bersham, 763 James Henshaw, 294 is Nicholas McDonald, 299 Tucker Snyder, 440 John. The butterflies, the heart rates are not about 170 beats a minute. All the adrenaline, all the work, all the preparation is about to go sideways here. They check the line one more time. Hard sideways. We're racing, Rob, 250 consolation race right now. Whoa, 5 wide of riders down. Looks like Yamaha taking out a Honda right there. Can't get up in the mix. Yamaha pilot. Things could get aggressive in 32nd position back there right now for sure. Quick look over, and we got some more yellow flags, so a lot of...
Oh, right as I went to record it. Can you go back and do that again? How does it possibly have an aerial view of where we are? I don't get it. I'm freaked out right now. Satan truck.